patience, okay. Medicated how I'm patient, wasting time ain't the way. Cause I can see it on your face. I've been tossing, turning, staying up all night long. I've been calling, yearning, wondering what I did wrong. I can tell by your eyes you got something to hide. So open your mind up, let me inside, and let's make it right. Tell me, baby, what's the problem? Cause I keep trying to figure it out. Oh no, oh no. Tell me, baby, what's the problem?
So here we go, the final act in what has been a competition that has entranced us throughout, never short on drama or emotion or talking points. This year's edition certainly does more than hold up to its predecessors. It seems this is the game in which everybody is keen to play a part. The stands are washed with colour, proud renditions of their songs from either end. It really does have all the ingredients of a top final. We have in front of us this gloriously imposing arena, absolutely perfect for a game of this nature. Both teams, Jim, eyeing the ultimate prize here, unerring focus and determination in all of those eyes.
Bringing back memories for me, Peter, a chance to have your name in the club's history. Having had the privilege of experiencing this a fair few times in my own career, there really is nothing that compares. Once you get there, you want to keep coming back. I still feel like that now.
Action has already started.
As with a lot of finals, caution plays a big part in the opening stages, but an early goal can blow all that away, so I hope that we can create an attacking contest here, which obviously we want for this showpiece.
Vinicius Junior, spread out to the left, dimches it off him. Pirlo. Roberto. Juninho. Good spot, he's seen the run. Just eases him off the ball. Eder Militao. Here's Tromeni. Are enjoying more and more possession, but very few chances up to now. Now it's Vinicius Junior. It's a good foot in there. Juninho. And that's the end of that. It all started well enough. And here's the chance to counter. He has found the way through. Turan stood his ground strongly. And that defending is unapologetically persistent. It's almost personal. And it had to be. Camavinga. Has a shot! That is glorious, as if he picked it up and put it there himself.
You know, I'm not going to be hard on the goalkeeper because that moved all over the place on its journey.
Penetrate first. It is a truly precious lead. Juninho. And it's Turan. Turan has got himself a free kick. Juninho. Oh, the ball's run loose here. Nice bit, and he'll shoot here! keeper's done ever so well.
Pirlo is offering a wry smile there.
And now they can spring out of defence. That has been cut short. That is not the best ball. He offers an apologetic look.
Encourage the pass with an intelligent run, but the pass just lacked pace.
Long ball looking to counter. Rudiger. And here's Arda Turan. Juninho.
Oh, that's such a good run. More of that, please.
Plays it in low. That was always going to be the keepers. Now it's Rodrigo. Mbappe. And into the grateful arms of the keeper. Whistle's gone, that's a foul. And it's Turan. He's got plenty of space out wide here. Great lead! Just couldn't turn it in.
Well, plenty of moving targets to pick out in the box. Obviously increases your chances of the ball being met like that by someone.
And they've switched it over to the other side. Carvajal. Is very much the model of the modern-day fullback. He's found a way through. Oh, what a ball! That's been won straight back. It's good running with the ball. It's one! Oh, extraordinary.
I'm not sure what he had in mind, and I don't think he knew either.
Lichtsteiner. Well, there's the whistle. The first half of the final has flown by. Steady, solid, and for now, where they want to be. Just one goal, and they have it. Good effort from both sides, but at half-time, it is 1-0. So, Jim, the halfway point of the final, what are you thinking?
Well, it's obvious who's likely to be more content going in at half-time, but I sincerely hope that there's a fitting response from the opposition to really engage us on the big occasion.
Leading 1-0 at the break. Well, here we go then. A solitary goal, that has been the crucial difference. De Roberto, and he's managed to get free. Oh, he's going to be pulled back for that one. And that has left him in a heap. And it's Lichtsteiner. Valverde, defending his corner stubbornly, stood up very well to his man. Real chance! Great build-up. It all deserved a better ending.
It's easy to say it, but difficult to stop it when runs in behind are being made like that.
Oh, shoots
look sharp there, didn't he? That's very well played.
Well, it's a nice idea, but the execution was lacking. Bellingham. He's tried one! It's loose, and there's a race for the ball. In he goes again! And for a moment, time stood still.
Really was just waiting to pounce on any slip-up, and he was gifted a chance.
Juninho. Lichtsteiner. Forwards and with intent. He is through here! Threads one in. Vinicius Junior in acres of space. And the shot! Now, and the second time! Defending of the desperate variety. Looking for options for movement. Now this could be it. He's had a hit! Oh, that was nice, but not quite the end product required.
Well, there are a few pockets of space that are being exploited, and they need filling, and fast.
It's a good run down the left-hand side. Vinicius Junior. Can he get away here? Great defending, strong and determined. And that's surely a foul. Free kick. So what can they conjure from this one? An opportunity then to pull clear here. Decent hit from there. That's a good run down the left. Mendy. Bellingham. Stood up well to him there. And he's had a hit! Was a matter of inches.
Well, he went with real power then when something dainty and subtle was called for.
Mertesacker gets flagged offside. So there's going to be another change here. Vinicius Junior being hounded, manhandled at times.
Yeah, it very much looks like this defence has learned from its errors now.
It's run loose, who's going to get there? Chance! Another big chance that gets away.
This is proving to be a very good spell. The intensity is great, but they've got to make it count.
It's best to keep it in play here. Swung over. Strong running down that left flank. Giggs.
This is what good chemistry.
Climbs up big!
Oh, that'll be a major disappointment for him. That should have got his team back in the game.
Tramini. Shifted upfield. Well played. That has snuffed out the danger. Oh, he's fizzed it forward.
Keep calm and carry on. That's the job in a nutshell now.
Oh, that's well spotted. Looking to break at pace. Rummenigge. Julie. Oh, he's got a sight of goal. He's got away.
Well, there's plenty to like about this approach. Get your head down, keep battling away, and eventually things might change for you.
Intercepted. I think that's offside. Yes, it is. Heitinger, aim forwards.
I think we're about to see a frenetic finish. No half measures from here.
Back in possession and ready to go again. Over to the left. Might look promising, but the final ball is just not quite right. Giggs plays up to meet it! There's a goal! They have stolen level at the last! A lovely header, but really it was all about the delivery.
Yeah.
Rodrigo! And what a finish that might have been. So after that very late drama, we are still level here.
Well, there was very little between the sides all the way through, so extra time is the correct next step.
So a brief breather and then extra time. And we're underway. Too much on it, and that's the keeper's. Julie, Rummenigge. Oh, that is a nice touch. Rummenigge! Goal at his mercy, and somehow he's missed it.
It's a very watchable game, isn't it? Any goal from here could well be the winner.
Challenge just a bit on the firm side. Oh, and he's through the middle. Carvajal. Played in by Danny Carvajal. Oh, he had to make that, and he did make it. Rummenigge looks to get on the end of this. Rummenigge. Pirlo. And it's been taken straight back. Well, that looks a foul. Yep, referee's given it. Valverde. Oh, the shot could be on. Can he finish? And that's a real chance missed. Have their second corner now. And now a sudden chance to counter. Big chance! It's loose and there's a race for the ball. It's an exciting looking ball, that. Rodrigo, looking tidy in possession here. He's got the shot away! Mertesacker. Half-time, extra time. Yeah, it is coming down to those last 15 minutes. A truly attritional affair that has reduced both teams to near standstill. The saying goes that it only takes a moment to make a difference in this game, but you have to pose the question, is there enough left in the collective tank of either team? The whistle goes, we're off and running. The last 15 minutes, the closing stretch of a marathon final. Vinicius Junior is offering some sort of an apology there.
Oh, that just required a bit more oomph to reach its target.
Oh, that's a key interception. Gently done. Some really good ball movement. Passes coming off in quick succession. Great chance! Superb from Vinicius Junior! And that has raised the roof! A truly wonderful strike, decorated with dip and curl.
Yeah, and it's not a surprise to see him elect to shoot from there, considering how much movement can be generated on the ball. Great hit.
And yes, it's him again. So we have a breakthrough. Now how will things develop from here?
I think what we've just seen is further evidence of their resilience and fantastic belief. I mean, they can always come through. Remarkable.
Lofted upfield. Oh, red, nice interception. Now it's Vinicius Junior. Abidal. And it's Mertesacker. Oh, perfectly measured. Julie! Yes! Tying minutes, and we're all square again.
That looks like a preconceived plan. Win the ball and then unleash.
All square again into the dying minutes. Bellingham. Interesting ball. Chance to shoot. He's shooting! Oh, surely that deserved better.
That was created because of good, lively movement, which pretty much dictates...
Up for a header! And that is it. No winner after 2 hours of football. It is going to be penalties. So we are still all square. But you have to say how different things might have been.
I can only applaud the sheer doggedness and tenacity on show in watching both teams refusing to lose. I mean, they both ran their socks off.
It has gone the full distance and then some. It will be decided by penalties. So this one to set the tone. And he puts them one up.
I thought he did really well to hold his nerve then and score that penalty.
Giggs steps up for his penalty. Cool it on, one each.
He just did what he was asked.
So, the second man in line.
Well, you can't approach a penalty with any doubt, or you'll have to rely on luck.
Julie is the second man to step up for his team.
Pick your spot, don't change your mind, and the keeper should be neutralised.
The third man in the queue.
Well, he totally nailed that penalty, picked his spot, and didn't change.
Rummenigge is third in line. It's 3 apiece. And so the captain steps up. It's a tame penalty, straight at the keeper. He steps up to take the fourth penalty. Perfect penalty.
I thought he handled the pressure really well there. His focus cut right through it.
Lest you need reminding, miss this and it is over.